Hey guys, in this video I am going to cover a examination pattern for BSc nursing students. Due to this pandemic situation, those took admission in 2020, especially first year BSc nursing students, some of them know the examination pattern of BSc nursing and some students don't know the annual examination pattern. So in this video I am going to cover a examination pattern for BSc nursing students. So let's start with anatomy and physiology. Anatomy and physiology, it is a combined subject. Basically anatomy for 37 marks and physiology for 38 marks. So we have to write anatomy and physiology both subject for 17 marks, 75 marks in 3 hours. So don't take a tension and don't think too much. It will be very easy. Just you can divide the time and write your examination pattern. Let's talk about nutrition and biochemistry. So basically nutrition is required and containing 45 marks. Biochemistry having 30 marks only. So it will be combined for 75 marks. So it is also like that. Anatomy and physiology, you have to write a 3 hours. Nutrition and biochemistry, 2 paper you have to write. Basically you need to concentrate on nutrition because it is having a 45 marks. So what nursing foundation? Nursing foundation also a little bit tough for first year students, and it will be very easy when you need to visit a clinical site, because the same procedure what you have to learn in nursing foundation you have to practice in clinical site. Then it will be very easy for nursing foundation. This is containing 75 marks. Okay, and while you are going to write a nursing foundation, you have to write in detail. In 3 hours you have to finish 75 marks. So just go through your procedure book and nursing foundation textbook and read in concentrate while you are reading a procedures. It will be very easy for your examination. So let's talk about microbiology. Microbiology is a departmental subject. It is very tough and you have to study more and giving concentrate while reading a microbiology. It will be easy while you are going to read this microbiology, and when you are going to remember you will not got anything because it will be very tough subject. You have to give much time for microbiology. It will be very easy. Microbiology, it is contain 75 mark. In 3 hours you have to finish the 75 mark. So psychology is the very easy subject, and sometimes it will be a very tough because it is having some difficult words and this terminology is a very tough. You have to need to know the terminologies for understanding this psychology subject, because everyone will understand this subject and everyone say I will go and write this psychology very easy. When you will see the question paper you will forget everything. So you have to make a small key answers and small notes for understanding these terminologies and all question answers for psychology especially. So basically in first year we have one practical exam. It is only for nursing foundation. We no need to give any other practical exams. We need to give only one practical exam for nursing foundation. So I think you guys like this video. If you like, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So this is the paper and this is examination pattern for BSc nursing students.